Hey there. Welcome back to another practice session with @Inglesfacil. If you're here, it means you really want to improve your English, not just by studying grammar or memorizing rules, but by building a real habit that helps you think and speak in English naturally. Most people believe that fluency is about studying for hours every day. But in reality, it's the opposite. It's about small, consistent actions that keep your brain connected to the language. In this episode, I'll guide you through 5 powerful daily habits that can help you speak English faster and more confidently. Even if you don't live in an English-speaking country, and even if you only have a few minutes each day. So, grab your headphones, relax, and let's start building your new English routine together. The second habit is to think in English. Yes, it sounds simple, but it's one of the most powerful changes you can make. You don't need to think in long sentences, just short, real thoughts. When you wake up, think, I'm tired. When you make breakfast, say in your mind, I'm making coffee. When you go outside, it's a sunny day. It might feel strange at first, but over time your brain starts connecting ideas directly in English instead of translating from Spanish. You can also describe what you see or what you're doing. I'm checking my phone. I need to charge the battery. I'm walking to the store. These simple thoughts are like mini training sessions for your brain. Little by little, you stop depending on translation and start thinking naturally. And that's when fluency begins, not when you memorize words, but when you start to live in English, even inside your head. Now, this is where your progress really speeds up. Speak out loud, even if you're alone. Yes, talk to yourself. Repeat phrases, read out loud, or imitate what you hear in videos. This is how your mouth gets used to English sounds. Remember, speaking is a physical skill. It's not just about knowing words. It's about training your tongue, lips, and voice to produce them easily. For example, describe your actions. I'm opening the window. I'm cleaning my room. I'm watching a video from @Inglesfacil. You can also shadow native speakers. That means listening to them and repeating immediately after, trying to copy their pronunciation and rhythm. It might feel weird, but it's exactly what helps you sound more natural. The more you speak out loud, the more your confidence grows. And soon, when you talk to others, your brain will already be ready. No freezing, no translating, just speaking. The next habit is to learn vocabulary in context. Don't just memorize random word lists. Learn how words live together. For example, instead of memorizing decision, learn make a decision. Instead of mistake, learn make a mistake. Instead of advice, learn give me advice. This helps your brain understand how English really works. You start to speak in natural phrases, not in isolated words. Whenever you learn something new, write it down in a short sentence. Repeat that sentence a few times during the day. Use it in your thoughts or while speaking to yourself. The more you use new words in real situations, the faster they stay in your long-term memory. Context gives meaning, and meaning makes words stick. The last habit is to surround yourself with English everywhere you can. Change your phone language. Follow English pages, read short posts, or even set your apps to English. It's about creating small moments of exposure all day long. Watch your favorite movies or series with English subtitles. At first, it's okay if you don't understand everything. Your brain is learning just by being exposed. Listen to English music, repeat the lyrics, or read short articles about topics you like. The goal is not perfection, it's connection. The more English you see, hear, and use, the more your brain adapts. Soon, you'll start noticing that you understand things faster, and words will come out automatically when you need them. So, let's review your 5 daily habits. Listen every day. Think in English. Speak out loud. Learn in context. Surround yourself with English. If you follow these habits consistently, you'll be amazed at how quickly your fluency grows. Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Thank you so much for spending this time practicing with @Inglesfacil. Keep believing in yourself, keep practicing, and most importantly, enjoy the process. You're not just learning English, you're building confidence, one day at a time. See you soon, and keep going strong.